Good morning, students. Operating system MCQ. Quick question. Memory management technique in which system stores and retrieves data from secondary storage for use in memory level is called. Answer B is correct. Paging. Next question. Question number 6. Effective access time is directly proportional to. Effective access time is directly proportional to answer B, bit ratio. Next, in FIFO page replacement algorithm, when a page must be replaced, oldest page is chosen. Option is correct. Which algorithm chooses the which algorithm? Question number 8. Which algorithm chooses the page that has not been used for the longest period of time whenever the page required to be replaced? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. First in, first out algorithm. Next, question 9. A process in thrashing if page fault occurs. Option C is correct. Working set model for page replacement is based on assumption of modularity. Option is correct. The operating system is either A or B. Option C is correct, depending on the location of interrupt vector. In contiguous memory location, option E is correct. Option A is correct. Question number 12. Each process is contained in single contiguous section of memory. Option is correct. Next, the relocation register helps in option C is correct to protect the address spaces of processes. With relocation and limit register, each logical address must be attached to the limit register. Option is correct, less than the limit register. The operating system and other processes are protected from being modified by an already running process because option D is correct. Every address generated by the CPU is being checked against the relocation and limit register. Transient operating system code is code that option B is correct. Comes and goes as needed. Next question. Using transient code that has the size of operating system during program execution. 17. C. Changes. Option C is correct. 18 number. When memory is divided into several fixed size partition, each partition may contain. Option is correct. Exactly one process. In fixed size partition, the degree of multi-programming is bounded by the number of partition. Option is correct. The first fit, best fit, and worst fit are strategies to select a option C is correct. Free hold from a set of variables. In internal fragmentation, memory is internal to a partition, and option B is correct, is not being used. Next question. A solution of the problem. External fragmentation. A solution of the problem. External fragmentation is option A is correct. Another solution of the problem of external fragmentation problem is to option A, permit the logical address space of process to be non-contiguous. If relocation is static and done at assembly or load time, compactation option is correct, cannot be done. The disadvantages of moving all process to one end of memory and all holes to another direction, producing one large hole of available memory is option is correct. The cost incurred option is correct. Next question. Question number 25. The disadvantages of moving all process to one end of memory and all holes to other direction, producing one large hole of available memory is the cost incurred. Option is correct. Next, 26. The dash is generally faster than the dash and the dash. 26 option is correct. External fragmentation exists when enough total memory exists to satisfy request, but is not contiguous. Option is correct. External fragmentation is not occur when no matter which algorithm is used, it will always occur. Option B is correct. Sometimes the overhead of keeping track of all might be Option B is correct, larger than the whole itself. When the memory allocated to a process is slightly larger than the process, then option is correct. Internal fragmentation, that is option is correct. Next question. When the memory allocated to a process slightly larger than the process, then option is correct. Internal fragmentation occurs. Because of virtual memory, because of virtual memory, the memory can be shared among option is correct processes. The dash is the concept in which a process copied into main memory from the secondary memory according to the requirement. Option is correct. Demand paging. The pager concerns with the option is correct. Individual page of a process. A spare space existed. Secondary memory. Option B is correct. When a program tries to access a page that is mapped in address space but not loaded in physical memory, then question 35. Option is C. Effective access time is directly proportional to page per thread. Option A. Option A. In FIFO page replacement algorithm, when a page must be replaced, oldest page is chosen. Option is correct. Which algorithm chooses the page that has not been used for the longest period of time whenever the page required to be replaced? Option C is correct. List recently used algorithm. A process is crashing if it is spending more time paging than executing. Option is correct. Working, next question. Working set model for page replacement is based on the assumption of option B is correct, locality. Thank you.